Hi everyone! Did you know that some of the most powerful plant boosters are already sitting in your kitchen? One of them is Clove. Cloves may be small, but they are packed with natural power. Used for centuries in traditional systems like Ayurveda, cloves are not just for health. They can do wonders for your plants too. Cloves are dried flower buds from a tree native to Indonesia. They contain a powerful compound called Eugenol, which has strong antibacterial and antifungal properties. This means cloves can help protect your plants from harmful fungi, root rot, and common soil diseases. They can also keep pests away and improve overall plant health. Here's how to use it. Take about 6 to 8 cloves, boil them in 1 cup of water for 2 minutes, then let it cool. Strain the liquid and use it to water your plants once a week. But don't overuse it. Too much can affect beneficial microbes in the soil. Simple, natural, and effective. Your plants will love it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more amazing gardening tips.